Ever wondered how to convert your digital efforts into real cash? Today, we unlock the secrets of Digistore24. Imagine a platform where your passion for digital content could translate into tangible earnings. Marketers with a global audience. Here, affiliate marketing isn't just a buzzword. It's a viable path to your financial footprint. Stay tuned as we dive into the mechanics of setting up your Digistore24 account. Starting your journey on Digistore24 is simpler than you might think. Let's dive into setting up your account, a critical first step towards unlocking the potential of this robust platform. Begin by visiting the Digistore24 website. Here you'll find the Register button prominently displayed. Clicking on it will lead you to a form asking for basic information such as your name, email address, and a password. Remember, choosing a strong password is key to securing your account. Once you've filled out the initial details, it's time to select the account type. Digistore24 offers two main types, vendor and affiliate. If you're looking to sell your own products, the vendor account is the way to go. However, if you're here to promote existing products and earn commissions, the affiliate account will suit your needs perfectly. Next, setting up your payment information is crucial. Digistore24 provides a variety of payment options including direct bank transfers and PayPal. Ensure that your payment details are accurate to avoid any delays in receiving your earnings. Also, take a moment to explore the settings menu. Here, you can configure aspects like account notifications and marketing preferences. These settings will help you stay informed about important account activities and opportunities. Finally, consider verifying your email and completing any additional verification required. This not only secures your account but also enhances its credibility on the platform. With your account ready, let's discover how to pick products that promise the best returns. Not all products are created equal, especially in affiliate marketing. Navigating the Digistore24 marketplace can be akin to finding treasure in a vast sea. The key is knowing how to identify the gems that will not only captivate your audience, but also yield substantial commissions. Let's dive into how you can select the most promising products to promote. Firstly, understanding commission rates is crucial. Products on Digistore24 offer varying percentages of sales as commissions. Typically, digital products can provide higher commission rates, sometimes up to 70% of the sale price. This is because digital products, unlike physical goods, don't incur recurring manufacturing or shipping costs. Therefore, targeting products with higher commissions can significantly boost your earning potential. Next, consider the popularity of the product. A product's popularity can be a double-edged sword. While popular products are proven to convert and attract buyers, they also tend to have higher competition. To balance this, look for products that are gaining traction but aren't yet saturated in the market. Digistore24's platform provides insights such as sales numbers and conversion rates, which can help you gauge a product's popularity and performance. Moreover, relevance to your audience cannot be overstated. The most successful affiliate marketers excel not just by choosing the best-paying products, but by promoting products that resonate with their audience's needs and desires. Reflect on who your audience is and what problems they're trying to solve. Are they looking for fitness plans, business tools, educational courses? Aligning the products you choose with the interests of your audience will increase the likelihood of purchases, thereby maximizing your commissions. Incorporating these strategies, sift through the marketplace with a discerning eye. Use filters to narrow down choices based on categories, commission rates, and other metrics that align with your strategy. By carefully selecting products that are profitable, popular, and pertinent to your audience, you set the stage for affiliate success. Armed with the perfect products, it's time to generate your unique affiliate links. Your gateway to earning online is through unique affiliate links. Let's dive into the heart of affiliate marketing on Digistore24. Generating and using those all-important affiliate links. Start by logging into your Digistore24 account. Navigate to the marketplace where you'll find a plethora of products waiting to be promoted. Each product comes with an option to promote now, which, when clicked, generates a unique affiliate link just for you. This link is your key to earning commissions. Now, you might wonder how to best use these links. It's all about integration and context. For bloggers, incorporate these links within relevant, informative content. Say you're writing a post about fitness, a link to a popular workout program on Digistore24 can be seamlessly woven into your narrative. For YouTubers, A call to action at the end of a product review video can direct viewers to your video description, where they can find your affiliate link. Social media influencers can leverage their platforms by creating posts or stories that feature these products, embedding the affiliate links either directly or through a link in bio. Always ensure that the content surrounding your link provides value to your audience, making the click a natural step for them. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is trust and authenticity. Your audience needs to believe in your recommendations, so choose products that you genuinely endorse and that align with your online persona. Next, we'll explore how to effectively market these products. Having great products and links is just the beginning. Now we need eyes on them. Let's dive into the realm of marketing strategies that not only attract attention, but also convert viewers into buyers. Effective marketing is the bridge between your affiliate links and potential customers, and mastering it can significantly boost your earnings on Digistore24. First on our list is content marketing. This strategy is all about creating valuable and relevant content that resonates with your target audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or podcasts, your content should provide solutions to the problems your audience faces. For instance, if you're promoting fitness programs, you could create workout guides or nutrition tips. The key here is to include your affiliate links naturally within this content, making it easy for your audience to make purchases. Moving on, let's talk about the power of email marketing. Building an email list allows you to communicate directly with your potential customers. Start by offering something of value in exchange for their email address. Think free ebooks, courses, or exclusive updates. Once you have a list, nurture it with regular updates and personalized offers linked to your Digistore24 products. Remember, the more personalized the email, the higher the chances of engagement and conversions. Now, let's not underestimate the influence of social media promotions. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are excellent for affiliate marketing because they allow for direct interaction with a large audience. Use eye-catching images, engaging posts, and interactive stories to promote your affiliate products. Also, consider investing in targeted ads to reach a broader audience that is likely interested in your offerings. A crucial aspect of all these strategies is search engine optimization, or SEO. By optimizing your content for search engines, you ensure that your articles and posts appear high on search results when potential buyers search for related keywords. Focus on including relevant keywords, both long-tail and short-tail, in your content, and ensure your website's user experience is top-notch. Lastly, never underestimate the importance of tracking your results. Use analytics to see what works and what doesn't. This insight allows you to refine your strategies, focus on more productive marketing techniques, and ultimately increase your affiliate earnings. With the right strategies, your affiliate links will soon start generating income. By implementing these marketing tactics, you're not just promoting products, you're building a sustainable online business that grows and evolves with your audience. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and watch as your digital store flourishes. What's better than earning money? Earning more money. Once you've set up your affiliate campaigns and started driving traffic to your links, the next crucial step is to monitor and analyze your results. This is where Digistore24's dashboard becomes your best friend. It provides a comprehensive overview of your affiliate link performance, including clicks, conversions, and earnings. By keeping a close eye on these metrics, you can identify what's working and what's not. But let's dive a bit deeper. The dashboard allows you to track the success of individual products. Say you notice one product outperforming others significantly. This is a cue to perhaps focus more on this product, refine your promotional strategies around it, or even create tailored content to boost its visibility. Now let's talk scaling. Scaling up doesn't just mean doing more of the same, it involves strategic decisions. For starters, consider reinvesting some of your earnings into paid advertising. This could be through social media ads, PPC campaigns, or buying banner space on relevant sites. Paid advertising can dramatically increase your reach and, by extension, your potential earnings. Another scaling strategy is diversification. If you're finding success with a particular niche on Digistore24, why not explore related niches? Or if a specific type of content or promotion tactic is working well, think about how you can apply these successful elements to other products or new markets. Remember, the key to scaling is not just about increasing your efforts, but also optimizing them. Use the insights gained from the Digistore24 dashboard to tweak and enhance your campaigns continuously. Keep optimizing your strategies and watch your earnings grow, using the right products and effectively using affiliate links. Moreover, we've explored powerful marketing strategies that can skyrocket your earnings. Digistore24 simplifies the path to earning money online, making it accessible and manageable, even for beginners. Ready to dive deeper into the world of affiliate marketing? Subscribe for more insights and start your path to financial freedom today. Share this video and let's thrive together.